In this video, I'd like to talk about the math question of the day for Monday, August 28th, 2023. And with this problem, we need to find the value of x for this missing angle here in this triangle. And questions like these are typically seen in grade school math or in a pre-algebra class, though you might also see this in a geometry class. So at this point, go ahead and pause the video, see if you can work through this on your own. And when you're ready, unpause the video and we can go through this together. Now, assuming that you've attempted the problem, we can start working through it. And what you can notice is that in this triangle, two of the side lengths are equal to each other. And because two sides are equal, and the third is not, we can say this is an isosceles triangle. And in general, in an isosceles triangle, when you have these two equal sides, there will also be two equal angles. And those equal angles will be opposite the equal sides. So if we look at this side length here, the angle opposite that would be this x degree angle. And when we look at this side length of 5, the angle opposite that will be this angle right here. And these will be equal. So really we can call this x degrees if we want. And remember that in any given triangle, at least on a flat surface, when we add up the angles, they add up to 180 degrees. So we can set up an equation. We can say this angle plus this one, those have to equal 180. We can say that x degrees plus 70 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. So if you want, you can ignore the degrees here on the units and just put that in at the end. But we have 2 multiplied by this x degrees plus 70 degrees. We're just combining like terms now. And all of this is equal to 180. Now let's subtract 70 degrees on each side so that we can isolate our variable term. They cancel on the left-hand side. We get 2x degrees is equal to 180 minus 70, which would be 110 degrees. And if we divide everything by 2, we can solve for x. 2 divided by 2, that's just 1. We get x degrees is equal to 110 divided by 2, which is 55. So our missing angle here will be 55 degrees, which means this angle here will also be 55. And we know this makes sense because 55 plus 70 is 180.